OMG, I hate being in here. I wish I could get out. Hey you! Are you thinking about getting out? I don't think so. Don't even think about it, 'cause if you do, we're going to put you back for a long time. Understand? That is worse. Oh, I know. Maybe in my mind I should do that. Time for a plan. All right, now I'm free. Hey, look, train tracks. If I hop onto the train, I'll be further away from the prison.
Princess Twilight Sparkle, we have a problem. Robbie has escaped from prison by skateboarding into the walls in hallways.
Okay, then let's call Chase to prepare the shootout. He's dangerous.
Yes, Your Highness. Come on, let's go get Robbie back.
Here it comes. Now I'm on the train. Now I'm free.
Attention Robbie, please get off the train immediately. You are under arrest.
Never.
Attention police! Make sure the train shows up with the robber. Chase, when the train arrives, you shoot it. Got it?
Got it, Twilight.
All right, boys. Wait for the train. Okay, here comes the train. Fire! Jail time for you, Robbie.
Ah, great.
Good job, Chase. Anytime, Twilight. All right, Robbie. You'll be staying here for 10 years. No trying to escape. You are in more trouble, mister.
Oh, man.